Hey, my divas. Thank you for stopping by my YouTube channel today. Today I have a review video for you of the Beetles nail tips and glue set. Oh my goodness. I am so impressed with this set. I had this set because I mainly wanted to get it for the lamp that comes with it for flash curing, but recently was my first time using the actual tips, and let me tell you, it's amazing. I mean, just absolutely amazing. So these are the 3 fingers that I did with these nail tips and the nail glue. So let me take everything out of the box that comes with. So it comes with your 500 nail tips, which are, this set is the full cover tips. They also have another set where you get the half cover tips, like just the regular nail tips. But this one has the full cover tips that you put over your whole nail. And it's like the Chiara Sky and Après dupe, or the Lazy Girl method. It's the tips like those, the complete tips. And what I was most impressed about with these tips is that they are actually gel tips. Yes. And the way you can tell if they're gel tips is if you bend them and you see the white line. And if it disappears, then it's gel. It's gone. So if it was plastic, that white line will not go away. And then they're flexible. So they're pretty soft. They're firm but soft, if that makes any sense. So I went on ahead and just ordered extras of these tips. They sell the tips alone. They sell the glue by itself. Or you can buy the whole kit for about $20. So the half tips, not the full cover tip set, it is like $2 cheaper than the full cover tip set, but it's worth every penny. I mean, I feel you can get tips anywhere, like half cover tips, but I'm pretty sure their half cover tips are amazing quality also, because the full cover ones are amazing quality. So I didn't have to do any shaping. Well, just a little bit. I just cut them down, and mostly I didn't have to do any shaping because the shape was already there. And I'm just in love. It was so easy to do. It comes with this teeny tiny little LED lamp that to turn it on, you just plug it in. Comes with the cord, and you just press the little power button right here, and it stays on for about 60 seconds. But this is like a flash cure lamp because I think it's 4 or 6 watts. So I flash cured my nails with the glue while holding it down. And then I went back in with my big sun lamp, which I will link the review to that right here. I went back in with my heavy duty 120 watt lamp and did a full 60-second cure. And these babies are not going anywhere for 2 weeks. I mean, I've had these on for a long minute. So it actually works. So if you want to save your coins and you want a high quality Après, I guess I'm saying that right, Après, I've heard people say Après, but the Après dupe method, if you want the Chiara Sky dupe, you don't have to pay $100, $200 for their kits when Beetles got it going on for $20. Okay? And that's all you need. You don't need anything else. That's it. So, hey, check out this playlist right here that I'm going to link, and you can see other reviews and deals and steals that I find for you. Please leave a comment and let me know if you enjoy videos like this, or if you would like to see another kind of video, or if there's something that you would like me to review or do a tutorial on, leave it in the comments below and just let me know. But I'd like you to subscribe. If you enjoy content like this, hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you to be part of the Diva family, okay? All right, everyone. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you on the next episode, my divas. Stay beautiful.